Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marilyn Tengo. If it's the first time here, you're welcome to my audio. Thanks for coming again. Now this is a part 2 of our previous video, so if you haven't watched it, please check it out before watching this. That was when we did our grocery shopping and when even vlogged in the market, so you want to watch that. If you're in the abroad, you appreciate it. I'm showing your country to you for free. Anyways, I'm just joking. Anyways, you want to watch it so you better understand this one. So doing a haul of the items that I got, the prices, and I'll be sharing with you how I organize and store my vegetables and everything storage. If that's the kind of content you like, keep watching. So these are the things that I got. Let me unpack them so that you can see it. Yeah, and one egg here is broken. I mean, with all the movement and all of that, I'm even grateful only one got broken. Guys, when I say my fridge has been empty, this is it. Can you see? I think I have here some pepper sauce, my dates, and some plantains here, and maybe one or two things there. This part I really need to empty it because I bought a lot of stuff. So but anyway, I'll free up the space in here. So firstly, I'm going to be cleaning the fridge before I start organizing. Over here I have just one egg there. It's looking all neat. Firstly, I'll pack my eggs. These are my storage containers. When I wanted to buy my storage containers, I was intentional about getting a similar color, something that will match, and I got this from Melcom. So I have here some cocoyam. I want to prepare Kwa Cocoa Bible 25 cedis, and the lemon here is 5 cedis. I got these 14 cedis, onion 5 cedi, avocado 4 cedi. This is soya spice. I got this for 10 cedi. These are oranges. Oh wow, what is this? This girl sold me rotten oranges. Anyways, this orange here is 4 cedis, and the apples I think 10 cedi, pineapple 5 cedi, tomatoes 5 cedi, carrots and bell peppers I think 7 cedis for these. Then I have here some mangoes, really big mangoes. I got these for 15 cedis. I got this, I think this is 1 cedi. Then I have in here cabbage and lettuce. How much was this? I've got this 10 cedi. Ginger 2 cedis. This 1 cedi each, so this is 2 cedi. Pepper 2 cedis. This I think the roll is 6 cedis, and I got Milo. I think this is 20. Green pea 18 cedis. Turmeric 7 cedis. Cinnamon 7 cedis. Mayonnaise, Ginny, I think is Ginny is 32. Yeah. Barbecue sticks. Got coffee 12 cedis. I think sugar should be 12 cedis. And then I got beans. This is cocky beans. Got leaves as well for the Kwa Cocoa Bible. Then I bought palm oil. This one shocked me. Like, this alone is 30 cedis. I mean, like, how? Where? This is 30 cedis, and I could not even argue. And it's not even like I could compromise. I got it anyways. This is 30 cedis. The one, I don't know if they nag me stick or what, but even I walked around and it was about the same price. So I'm wondering how on earth red oil for 1.5 is 30 cedis. But that's it. We have to be measuring it before we use. Got a smoked fish. This is 25. And I got pomo here for 20 cedis. Cow leg for 20 cedi. I got chicken. Kg is 22 because it's the soft. I prefer the soft to the hard one. Then I have here fresh fish 43 cedis, and I have beef here like 4 pound of beef and 2 pound of goat meat. So that's it. And I bought boiled corn for my salad. Just clean the fish, then I'll separate the ones how I'll be preparing them. I'm going to pack. This is fish for cooking, maybe if I need to fish for soups, and here is fish for grilling. I'm going to clean it nicely before keeping it. Section the meat. Doing it this way is going to be so easy for me. I have here corn, so I'm going to put it here so that I separate it from the meat. I have some chicken. I don't know when I'll be preparing the kwakoko, but within these days, but because I'm not sure, I'm just going to wrap this up, then put it in the freezer. All washed and separated, so I'm just going to store this. I'll use this 2 times. I want to start cleaning the fruits. It's all clean, so I'm going to dry it with the kitchen wrap. I'm going to be using this for mango juice right now, and I'll just store my lettuce and cabbage in the fridge. Unlike the other ones, I'll be adding water inside my carrot to keep it fresh. This, I'm going to slice it. I have most of the things in here, like crayfish. I still have more crayfish and some spice, so when it's finished, I'll transfer inside the container. Moving to a mango juice, I already have a recipe on the channel. Lemon juice, ginger, and a slice mango. You want to make sure you remove everything from the seed. And some honey. My fruit juice for the week is ready. I'm done with everything. I think it's better from here. Yeah, just finished cleaning everywhere. As you can see, my bread for the week, and let me show you now what the fridge looks like. Here's some eggs, jam, more jam, honey, mayonnaise, soy milk, fruit juice, water, and almond milk. As you can see, having your storage bowls in the same color just makes everything look so cute, order, and very organized. And that's a job well done. I was thinking of what to prepare. I just remembered the plantain, so I'll be having it with beans.
thinking I was winning. Anyway,
hi guys, I just came here to rest because I'm tired and I want to close this vlog. The next thing I'll know is I'll forget, and maybe when I'm editing before I realize I did not close it. So I'm here to close it. Please, if you've watched up to this point and if you're not subscribed, I take on name beg you. I beg subscribe, support my ministry. Please share if you can, and please, if you do have a video recommendation, please drop your recommendations in the comment section. If there's anything you'd like me to do or just suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I'm open to suggestions and questions and just anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.